Welcome to my channel and my page Law Uncut. I'm Dr. Kirkata Sewachukwu, a legal practitioner, and in this series I'm going to be talking to you about domestic violence. I'm going to answer questions such as what makes you a victim of domestic violence, and can men actually be victims of domestic violence, and then what are the common mistakes that victims of domestic violence make, and then the approaches you can take in order to curb them. So I'm going to start by telling you what domestic violence is. Domestic violence is a private torture that happens within the ambit of the home. Most often than not, it comes in the forms of acid baths, knife wounds, and broken bones. And then of course there's mental torture or emotional torture that comes with it, whereby the verbal abuse, demoralizing that person in order to make the person feel less than a human being. Now I'm going to answer the question which many people ask, which is, can men actually be victims of domestic violence? And the answer is yes. Now last year I was briefed by a friend, about a client who wanted to get certain benefits from the husband, and in my own myopic mind I assumed that the woman was the victim, and I went ahead to handle that case. And sometime during the course of the investigation I found out that the woman was actually a man beater. In other words, she beats the husband, and the woman is the one who has been experiencing domestic violence with this woman. She beats him a lot, and coincidentally it was so bad that in the process of trying to settle them, she was in front of everybody, started beating him. And this is the common mistakes we make when we think there's only women and children that are only the victims of domestic violence. And that brings me to the next question: what are the common mistakes that